Have you ever opened a website at night and been instantly blinded by a glaring white screen, even though your computer was already set to dark mode? In today's world, users expect web applications to instantly match their chosen system theme, light or dark, without jumping through hoops or hunting for a toggle button. That's not just about comfort, it's about accessibility, energy savings, and delivering an experience that feels truly modern and user-centric. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to build automatic dark mode detection and theme switching into your React applications, without relying on any third-party libraries. You'll discover how to detect your user's system theme preference in real time, update your app's styles instantly as their OS changes, and even let users override the automatic choice if they wish. We'll break down the core concepts behind system color schemes, show you how to harness the power of native browser APIs, and guide you through setting up dynamic CSS that adapts seamlessly. By the end, you'll be equipped to create interfaces that are not just visually appealing, but also accessible and responsive to user needs, resulting in longer user engagement, fewer support requests, and a more professional product. If you want your React apps to stand out, delight users, and stay ahead of UX trends, mastering automatic dark mode is essential. Stick with us to transform your understanding of theming in React, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth, high-quality tutorials. Because staying updated means your skills and apps will always be a step ahead. Imagine a world where every device, from your phone to your laptop, adapts to your needs without you lifting a finger. Automatic dark mode in web applications is a manifestation of this principle, aligning digital experiences with personal preferences and physical environments. At its core, automatic dark mode leverages the browser's ability to detect the operating system's color scheme, whether a user's system is set to light or dark appearance, and allows the application to update its visuals accordingly in real time. This is achieved using the CSS media query prefers color scheme, a feature that acts like a digital interpreter between the user's system settings and the website's appearance. When a user switches their OS theme, the browser emits a signal that the application can respond to, ensuring a seamless transition from light to dark or vice versa. This is not just about aesthetics. It is about comfort, accessibility, and reducing eye strain in different lighting conditions. For example, consider a news website that automatically changes its background and text colors to match the user's system at night, providing a gentle reading experience without glaring whites. Such adaptation fosters a sense of continuity between devices and platforms, making the digital environment feel more personal and less intrusive. By embracing automatic dark mode, applications not only meet user expectations, but also demonstrate attentiveness to diverse needs and contexts. The mechanism that enables real-time theme adaptation in React applications without external dependencies relies on a symbiotic relationship between CSS, JavaScript, and React's own architecture. The browser exposes the user's preference through the prefers color scheme media query. In CSS, this allows developers to declare theme-specific variables and styles that react to this preference. However, CSS alone is not sufficient when complex logic or runtime user overrides are desired. Here, React's context API and hooks become vital. By establishing a dedicated theme context, the application centralizes theme state management. This context listens for system changes using the JavaScript window.matchMedia API, which not only detects the current preference, but also subscribes to future changes. When the OS theme setting is toggled, an event is fired, and the React context updates the application state, ensuring every component reflects the new theme instantaneously. This approach mirrors the observer pattern. Components subscribe to theme changes, and updates propagate efficiently. Consider a productivity app where the user starts work in daylight and continues into the night. As the system theme shifts, the app transitions gracefully, maintaining focus and reducing cognitive disruption. By orchestrating CSS variables, DOM attributes, and React state, developers achieve a robust, dependency-free solution that is both performant and maintainable, echoing the modular and reactive design philosophy that underpins modern front-end engineering. The main application file integrates the theme provider, applies global theme styles, and renders the theme toggle button. This file demonstrates how the React app uses the automatic dark mode context and updates the UI in real time as the system theme changes. The theme context provides the core logic for detecting, storing, and updating the application's theme. It manages both the system preference and any user override, listens for changes to the OS color scheme, and updates the document's data theme attribute. This enables real-time theme adaptation without third-party libraries. The theme toggle component provides an accessible button that lets users override the automatic system theme detection. It displays the current theme and the detected system theme, allowing users to toggle between light and dark modes while persisting their choice. The global CSS file defines theme variables for both light and dark modes using CSS custom properties. The theme is switched dynamically by toggling the data theme attribute on the HTML element. All UI colors and backgrounds reference these variables for seamless, real-time theme transitions. The entry point file renders the app component, mounting the React application into the DOM. It ensures the strict mode is enabled and hooks up the theme detection from the start. The package.json configuration lists the required dependencies for React, React DOM, and TypeScript. It also defines scripts for building, starting, and testing the app. This configuration ensures all necessary libraries are installed for the automatic dark mode functionality. The React app loads and displays its main interface. At the top, the header appears with the current theme clearly indicated, along with a button that reflects the current mode, either light or dark, and a small label showing the system theme preference. The theme toggle button is presented visibly next to this indicator. The user brings the header, the system theme indicator, and the theme toggle button into focus. The button is hovered over and then clicked. Instantly, the application's color scheme transitions. The background, text, code blocks, and color swatches all update to match the new selected theme. This change is immediate and visually smooth, demonstrating real-time CSS updates without delay. After viewing the new theme, the user scrolls further down, bringing more of the interface, such as theme showcases and documentation details, into view. The user then hovers over and clicks the System button. This action resets the theme to automatically follow the system's color scheme preference. Again, the UI updates instantly, and the indicator now reflects that the application is tracking the system theme. The user slowly scrolls through sections highlighting the application's features and documentation, pausing on a detailed list of common pitfalls to avoid. This accordion or details section is expanded, revealing more guidance and best practices. Continuing downward, the user navigates toward the footer area, which contains resource links. The MDN documentation link about prefers color scheme is specifically hovered over, drawing attention to the external resource and reinforcing the browser-native approach to theme detection. The user then scrolls back up the page, bringing the theme toggle button back into view. The toggle is clicked once more, switching the application's theme again, with all visual elements smoothly updating to the new palette in real time. After this final theme change, the application remains visible for a few moments, allowing the user to observe the stable, responsive, and accessible dark mode implementation across the interface. Now you've seen exactly how to make your React apps smart enough to detect and adapt to your users' system theme preferences, all without cluttering your codebase with third-party libraries. With this approach, your interfaces will feel instantly in sync with your users' environments, supporting accessibility and delivering real-time updates as preferences change. Imagine your projects standing out because they just work better for everyone, everywhere, day or night. If you want to keep leveling up your React skills with actionable, real-world techniques like these, hit subscribe. Every week, you'll get practical insights you can immediately apply to your own apps, helping you build faster, cleaner, and more user-friendly experiences. Ready to make your next project truly user-centric? Let's keep building together.